friends, sound healing works on the principle of semantics, that is, sound, frequency, and vibration. Each of our body cells vibrate at a certain frequency. So, whenever any illnesses or any discomfort happens, these cells gets depleted and it comes out of the frequency zone. Through sound healing therapy, what we do is we align the chakras by which each and every cells gets activated, comes back to the original frequency, and the vibration strengthens the aura of a person. That is how we say increasing the vibration. With this increase in the vibration, our body gets shielded from any illnesses, any external or mental or physical illnesses.
Let's all follow certain guidelines before receiving this sound healing. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. When you inhale, your stomach should come out, and when you exhale, your stomach should go in. Now be in the receiving mode and take the sound healing.
Please rub your hands, put on your eyes, and lovingly put all over your face. Open your eyes with a broad smile. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless, God bless. God
Now
bless.
let's all indulge into this world healing prayer for the goodness of mankind. Mother Earth, please forgive me and my family if knowingly or unknowingly I have hurt you through my words or actions in this lifetime or a lifetime before this. Let there be abundance of food, water, and wealth on Mother Earth. Let Mother Earth be rejuvenated. Let there be abundance of love, kindness, compassion, joy, and spirituality in all beings. Let your blessings be with all, dear God. Thank you, thank you, thank you.